Hello, everybody. Thank y'all for tuning back in. Got a good one for you today. We're over here at a little place just not too far from my house. It's the Stockdale Community Fishing Pond. Stockdale has put this pond in. It's a great place to bring your family, your kids for a great fishing day. And just giving you a look at the rules and regulations they have here. But I want y'all to take a look at this place and look what Stockdale has done. We're just gonna kind of scan around it for a minute. Covered picnic tables. Great place to come and fish with the family and the kids. It's just an amazing place what they have done here in Stockdale, Texas. And as we walk out here towards the water, we're going to turn around and we're going to scan back. If you look over here, they have a walking trail, jogging trail. And when you scan around over here, you see they got bathrooms over there. And it's just a great little place what they've done here. And this pond is stocked with, let's get down here by the water, stocked with rainbow trout. Look at that. Got catfish, bass, perch, and I think they also put crappie in here, but they keep this pond filled up. And this is just a great place to come and sit down and visit. And come out here with the kids. They do have a few lights so you can come out here and fish at night. But it's look at here. I'm gonna try not to make this video too long. But it's a great place to come and enjoy with your kiddos and have your little picnic table and right here and sit down and enjoy the kids at the picnic table. And man, this place is just spectacular for what they have done. Usually there's people out here fishing, but there ain't nobody out here fishing today. But y'all look at this place. And this is free of charge, by the way. There's no charge to come out here and fish. There have been some pretty good fish taken out of here. I've been out here fishing before with some buddies of mine, and we just kind of catch and release. And I was hoping we could catch a fish swimming around. But I just thought I'd bring y'all out here today, give you a little bit different video. They got a basketball court. You can see over here the basketball court. And they got picnic tables, they got grills. Just come out and have a good time here in Stockdale, Texas. We're gonna walk over here and we're gonna show you the rest of the pond that they have added to. And it's just a really convenient for a lot of people to bring their kids out here and let them do some bank fishing. Yes, sir. I don't know where y'all are from, but look at the view here. Isn't that pretty? Free of charge. Just they ask that you pick up after yourself and pay attention to the rules and the size limit of the fish. But the city of Stockdale keeps this stocked for your fun days fishing with the kiddos. So I'm gonna just be quiet a minute, walk you down the bank, and boy, it's a nice day, man. Thank y'all for tuning in. See all of the little minnows floating around. We're gonna walk over here to this bridge, and I'm gonna stand on that bridge and give you a view. I see they're pumping water in, but they keep this place full and they keep it clean. And please, if you come out to the Stockdale Pond, please follow the rules and pick up your trash after you, please. And remember, this is for families and children. Anybody can come out here and fish. Look in the water there. See them little fingerlings floating around, swimming around? But please respect the pond of Stockdale. Please help keep it clean. If you help keep it clean and you help the environment, this place will be around for a long time. See, they're pumping water into it right now. Let's walk up here on the bridge. They're pumping water, and it comes from all the way over there. You can see the pipe coming down, and they keep this thing full. Some trash on the bridge, we'll pick it up on our way back. But look here, look at this. People can stand up here and fish. You can fish this side. Now my truck is way over there. I see my truck's way over there. You span around, looky here. Now you tell me what would be better than bringing your kids out here, getting you a picnic table, fire up your barbecue pit and watch your kids fish and catch some fish. But now that makes out for a good day. There's some trash down here. See, this is why can't people pick up after themselves. I'll pick it up on the way back. Here's the other end of it. Man, this place is beautiful, isn't it? Right here in the city limits of Stockdale. I was kind of hoping we could maybe see a fish swimming around, but I don't think so, not today. But look at this place. Stockdale, Texas. Y'all come enjoy and help keep it clean. Come catch some fish. A lot of people come out here, they catch and release. They got bass, crappie, catfish, perch, rainbow trout. Here's another sign. Daily bag limit of 5 fish, all species combined, of which only one may be a black bass. No minimum length limits except black bass, which must be 14 inches or greater in length, and crappie must be 10 inches. Fishing is by pole and line only. Anglers may use no more than 2 poles per person while fishing. No cast nets, seines, or minnow traps allowed. The city of Stockdale, Texas. So it don't get much easier than that. If you come out here, just please follow the rules. And there you have it, the Stockdale Pond. Thank y'all for tuning in. Please like and subscribe. And Wayno's Rod House says, I love all you sexy, pretty subscribers. Thank y'all so much. Y'all are really generous, and I love each and every one of y'all. And until then, we will see you on the next one. Go fishing, happy RVing. Wayno's Rod House. Please like and subscribe.